Hi, this is Samantha, and today I'm going to show you how to use a MagicSchool Enterprise tool for teachers in Horry County Schools to help you get support with how your lessons can cross the rigor divide. And this is based on John Antonetti's research and his powerful task, Rubric. So after you've logged into MagicSchool and you have the Enterprise version, we are going to search for rigor. And you'll see the tool crossing the rigor divide. We're just going to go ahead and click on that. And all you have to do here is click generate. And then the chatbot will tell you that it's an instructional coach specializing in John Antonetti's Rigor Divide framework. Its purpose is to help you enhance the cognitive demand and rigor of your classroom activities using specific actionable strategies. It will provide suggestions that align with the powerful task rubric for designing student work, which measures activities across 4 power levels based on cognitive demand, from recall to extended thinking, and includes academic strategies and engaging qualities. So what we'll have to do here is tell it what activity we are currently doing in our classroom, and it also helps if you add a grade level. So I'll say my 3rd grade students will be solving multiplication problems with 3 digits, and I'm going to click enter. And then it's going to ask me a few questions. So it asks me what state standards that I'm working with. So I'll tell it I'm using South Carolina standards. So then it wants to know my current approach. Are students typically just practicing the standard algorithm, or are you looking to incorporate more strategic thinking and problem solving? I can say I'm looking to incorporate more strategic thinking and problem solving. And it asks me, what is the range of readiness in your classroom? So I could say students are just learning how to solve these types of problems. All right, so then it is going to give me a rigorous 3-digit multiplication task design called the School Supply Challenge, and it's going to tell me that it puts it at a level 3 or 4 rigor task. What I can do from here is read what it's asking me to do. I can actually re-prompt if there's anything that I don't like about it, or I can ask it questions to further clarify things. I hope this was helpful. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more Dear Dis videos.